How to play Telegram videos on iPhone. So if you want to play Telegram videos on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Telegram application. After opening your Telegram, now you just need to simply select a video. For example, I'll just simply go with a video. Now under the video, if you want to play the Telegram video on your iPhone, then you can just simply tap on and as you can see that the video started playing. But if it doesn't play, then what you can do is just simply go with the bottom left, which has that share icon, and from share you will have save video option. You can go and save the video. After saving, you can watch it from your gallery on your iPhone. Or the next thing you can do is you can go with your app store and you can search for VLC media player. Once you find it, you can install the VLC media player. After installing it, you can go with share, which is on the bottom left, and then tap on share again, which is on the top right. And here you need to select VLC media player in the applications, and once you tap on the VLC media player, you will be able to open or view that video. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.